Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google Play console with the publisher account. This is required to access app settings and data controls. Once signed in, search for your app by name or package ID to open its dashboard. Make sure to export any necessary reports and backup user data now, because the removal process may permanently delete listings and metrics. After you confirm backups, proceed to the app settings to begin the removal steps. This avoids accidental data loss later. You now unpublish the app to prevent new users from finding or installing it, which immediately stops distribution. After unpublishing, remove or edit the store listing assets, screenshots, descriptions, and pricing to ensure the public page is hidden and not misleading. Make sure to pause or halt all release tracks, production, beta, and internal testing. Once done, double-check that no active release remains. This ensures installs and updates are blocked while you prepare for permanent data actions or complete removal. You finish by deleting associated data and requesting app deletion if you want full removal. First, clear user data and analytics from the console and remove any linked APIs or service accounts. This severs data retention paths. Then submit the delete request in the app settings and confirm through the verification email. Deletion can take days. If the process stalls, check account permissions, outstanding payments, or active subscriptions. If problems persist, contact Google Play support with your app ID and request status. This resolves most edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.